Problem solving is an essential skill in both personal and professional life. It enables us to overcome obstacles, make informed choices, and achieve our goals. Whether you're a student, professional, or simply looking to enhance your cognitive abilities, these 10 strategies will sharpen your problem-solving skills and empower you to face any challenge with confidence. But before we begin, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for such amazing and informative videos. 1. Embrace critical thinking. Critical thinking stands as the cornerstone of effective problem solving, serving as a vital skill for navigating life's complexities. It entails the impartial evaluation of information, the discernment of biases, and the formulation of well-informed decisions. To bolster critical thinking abilities, one must engage in the practice of dissecting intricate situations, meticulously weighing evidence, and considering a spectrum of viewpoints before arriving at conclusions. This process cultivates a discerning mind, enabling individuals to tackle challenges with greater insight, sound judgment, and a heightened capacity to unravel problems, ultimately leading to more effective and rational decision-making. 2. Develop analytical skills. Analytical thinking entails the art of deconstructing intricate problems into smaller, more manageable components. It begins with a systematic dissection of real-life challenges, breaking them down into their fundamental parts. By adopting this methodical approach, individuals can concentrate on individual facets of the issue, facilitating a deeper understanding and enabling the discovery of creative solutions. This analytical mindset not only simplifies complex problems but also enhances problem-solving skills. It empowers individuals to approach difficulties with precision, dissecting them into digestible pieces and ultimately unlocking innovative and effective resolutions. 3. Foster creativity. Creativity serves as the linchpin for discovering distinctive solutions. To cultivate creative thinking, one should venture into uncharted interests, engage in brainstorming sessions to generate novel ideas, and adopt a growth mindset that embraces continuous learning and adaptation. The more individuals nurture their creativity, the more their problem-solving prowess evolves into a wellspring of innovation. By fostering a creative mindset, individuals not only unlock unconventional solutions but also inject vitality into their problem-solving endeavors. This ingenuity acts as a catalyst, propelling them towards tackling challenges with fresh perspectives and a heightened capacity to devise imaginative and effective answers. 4. Enhance time management. Efficient problem-solving frequently hinges on adept time management. Prioritization of tasks, establishment of deadlines, and allocation of adequate time to each predicament are vital strategies. By astutely managing one's time, hasty decision-making and rushed solutions are circumvented, paving the way for more deliberate and judicious choices. This approach not only enhances the quality of decisions but also mitigates stress and fosters a sense of control over complex problems. Effective time management empowers individuals to navigate challenges with precision, ensuring that each issue receives the attention it merits, ultimately culminating in more effective, well-thought-out solutions. 5. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness emerges as a potent tool for maintaining present-moment awareness and unwavering focus. Engaging in mindfulness practices, such as meditation and deep breathing exercises, proves effective in reducing stress levels and enhancing concentration. A tranquil mind, nurtured through these exercises, becomes an invaluable asset for confronting intricate challenges. By remaining centered and composed, individuals are better equipped to tackle complex issues with clarity and composure. Mindfulness not only fosters a sense of inner peace but also empowers individuals to navigate through the most perplexing problems, ensuring that their solutions are crafted with precision and a profound understanding of the present circumstances. 6. Collaborate effectively. Problem-solving frequently thrives as a collective endeavor. Efficient collaboration hinges on active listening, respecting diverse viewpoints, and offering constructive input. Effective teamwork typically yields more robust and innovative solutions, benefiting from the collective wisdom and creativity of the group. By cultivating a collaborative spirit, individuals can harness the power of synergy, transcending individual limitations to conquer complex challenges with unity and shared expertise. This collaborative approach not only broadens perspectives but also ensures that solutions are comprehensive, well-rounded, and primed for success. 7. Seek feedback. Feedback serves as a precious instrument for personal enhancement. Don't shy away from seeking insights from peers, mentors, or domain experts. Constructive feedback offers new vantage points and aids in honing your problem-solving methodology. Embracing feedback allows you to continuously refine your approach, uncover blind spots, and strengthen your skills. It's a dynamic process that fuels growth, promotes innovation, and ensures that your problem-solving strategies evolve in tandem with the ever-changing challenges you encounter. 8. Embrace failure. Failure is an inherent element of the problem-solving journey. Rather than dreading it, consider failure a chance for learning and personal growth. Analyze the reasons behind the setback, adapt your strategy, and persist armed with newfound insights. Each failure propels you closer to success by refining your approach and strengthening your resolve. 9. Hone decision-making skills. Effective problem-solving frequently necessitates making decisions in high-pressure situations. Enhance your decision-making abilities by honing your skills in evaluating risks, meticulously weighing pros and cons, and contemplating the lasting ramifications of your choices. Practicing these critical thinking processes enables you to make informed decisions, even under duress, fostering better outcomes and minimizing the potential for costly mistakes. With this approach, you'll become more adept at handling challenging situations, ensuring that your choices align with your goals and contribute to long-term success. 10. Continuous learning. The world is constantly evolving, and so should your problem-solving skills. Stay updated on industry trends, emerging technologies, and new methodologies. Continuous learning ensures you're well prepared for any challenge that comes your way. Mastering problem-solving skills is a lifelong journey. By embracing critical thinking, fostering creativity, and continuously learning, you can become a proficient problem solver. So, if you're interested in learning more amazing information, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notified by our new videos. Please like and share the video. Don't forget to comment down your views on this. Thanks for watching till the end.